Imagine being able to quit your 9-to-5 job, spend more time with your kids, and still bring in a full-time income, all while working just 2 hours a day from your phone. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. I'm going to break down the 10 best side hustle for 2025 that are perfect for moms who want financial freedom and more time at home. And stick around until the end because I'm going to share the digital marketing system that completely changed my life and has already helped 135 people earn 6 figures from their home. My mission is simple: to help working mums escape the 9-to-5 grind, stop living paycheck to paycheck, and finally create financial and time freedom. I know what it feels like to constantly check your bank account before buying groceries, or feel guilty because work takes time away from your kids. That's why I share these side hustles, because they've helped me and hundreds of others find a better way. So if that's the kind of life you want, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a new video. Just so you know that I'm not pulling this out of thin air. These are not random side hustles I googled last night. I actually invested over $900 into learning from one of the top mentors in this space. And I've tested what works and what doesn't. I've seen people from all walks of life, mums, dads, grandparents, and everyday individuals use this system to change their lives. In fact, over 135 people have already hit 6 figures from home. So this isn't just a theory, it's what's working right now in 2025. Before we dive in, I've put together something special for you. It's called the Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's my step-by-step roadmap that shows you how to start your own digital business in just 2 hours a day. If you want in, just drop the word blueprints in the comments below and I'll send it to you. Number 1, AI content creation. Businesses need endless content, blogs, caption, ads, and product descriptions. Most don't have time or skills to create it constantly. That's where AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Canva comes in. They make it simple for anyone, even busy mums, to create high quality content quickly. And here's a game changer. With tools from OpenAI, you can create realistic AI avatars of yourself or design a completely different digital persona. That means you can build faceless content, grow an audience, and get paid without ever showing your face if you don't want to. This is one of the fastest growing side hustle in 2025. And if you'd like to learn step by step how to set this up, I have a program that teaches you exactly how to do this. You'll find it in the link below in the description. Number 2, online courses and digital products. Number 2 is creating online courses and digital products. Instead of trading time for money, you package your knowledge into something that sells over and over again. That could be an ebook, template, a guide, or even a mini course about something you already know. Budgeting tips, meal planning, fitness routines, you name it. Yes, it does take some time up front, but once it's built, it keeps generating passive income without you constantly showing up. Number 3, virtual assistant services. Third is becoming a virtual assistant. VAs are huge demand right now. All businesses and enterprise need help with emails, customer services, scheduling, managing their social media. If you're organized and reliable, you could start charging for your time and your skills right away. Now, this is still trading time for cash, but it's flexible. You can do it all from home. 4, digital marketing with master resale rights. And this is where everything changed for me. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is all about promoting products and services online. And the beauty of it is you don't need your own product. You don't need experience. You don't even need a following to get started. This is where I discovered Legacy Builders program. And honestly, it felt like I finally found a shortcut I've been searching for. Here's what you'll get with it. Master resale rights, which means you keep 100% profit on every sale. 4 income streams built into one system. So you're not relying on one single source. 90% of the business is automated. Emails, follow-ups, and sales are run in the background. You only need about 2 hours a day to manage it. Best of all, you do not need any tech skills, followers, or any product or any prior experience. This exact system has already created 135 six-figure earners. If I started here, I would have saved myself months of frustration, wasted money, and late nights Googling how to make money online. 5. Web design. Number 5 is web design. Now don't panic. You don't need to learn coding. With tools like System.io, which is a free drag and drop builder, you can create websites and sales funnel for small businesses. Every business needs a website and you can be the one to build it. Again, Legacy Builders training teaches you how to do this. 6. Graphic design. Number 6 is graphic design. With Canva and ready-made templates, creating professional looking designs has never been easier. You can offer logos, design, flyers, social media graphics, and more. And honestly, businesses are willing to pay good money for it because branding matters. 7. Copywriting and email marketing. Number 7 is copywriting and email marketing. This is simply writing words that sell. Think of sales emails, website copy, and ad campaigns. It's one of the highest paying skills online. And yes, you can use AI tools to help speed things up. But the real magic comes from learning how to connect emotionally with people. 8. Affiliate marketing. Number 8 is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products or services you already use and love and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. It's low cost to start, and once you build up that traffic, whether through TikTok, YouTube, blogging, or email list, you can make a really solid income stream. 9. Social media management. 9 is social media management. Businesses know they need to be on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, but most don't have the time or energy to keep up. That's where you come in. You can create content, schedule posts, and manage engagement for them, all from home and all on your schedule. 10. Coaching and tutoring. And finally, number 10, coaching or tutoring. This is all about turning what you already know into paid services. Moms are teaching budgeting, parenting strategies, fitness routines, or even homeschooling tips. If you've got knowledge or experience in an area, someone out there will be willing to pay you to guide them. So those are the 10 side hustles for 2025 that can help you create freedom, flexibility, and a better future for your family. But if you're serious about building something sustainable and automated, the digital marketing system I mentioned, the one that changed my life, is the best place to start. I've linked a free training at the very top of the description that walks you through exactly how it works. Go and check it out right after this video. If you've got value from this, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment with your favorite side hustle idea. And check out my other videos for more ways to build digital income streams and finally escape the 9-to-5 grind. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.